How to recover Outlook account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Outlook password and recover your account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Outlook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, let's say you're currently logged out of your devices. Now here, let's say you are on your login page. Now, here, what you can do is simply write an email. So, here you can simply write or type your email account. So, here I'm going to simply type my email account, and here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on continue. And here, once you do that, on the next page, you'll be prompted to the Google page. Now, here you can simply select your account, and after that, on the next page, you'll be prompted to enter the password. So, here in this section, you can simply tap on Forget Password, and after that, you simply have to tap on Continue. Now, here I currently have a authentication system in my device, but if you haven't, then it will send a code or verification code to the phone number or the email that is currently linked with this Outlook account. And from there, you can simply copy that pin and simply enter it here. And once you do that, you'll be able to update the password. Now, here you can simply create new password and confirm it. And after that, you can simply tap on Save Password. And once you do that, you'll be able to log in with your new Outlook account password. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Outlook password and recover your account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.